All right, JT, listen, this is part 2 of the rebar bending sign making project we're working on. I'll put a link in the description for the previous part 1 video so you can watch that, see what I did, how I made the letters. And now I'm just gonna really spend most of my time right now welding the letters together. Then I'll take those letters and I'll weld them to a crossbar and the frame that I'm gonna make for those letters. And then I'll put it all together. And so I just wanna share that with you, walk you through those steps, and here we go. Well, that was fun. So that took about 2 hours to do the back welding for the sign. I'm thinking about the top part of that sign kind of doing an arch. So it says Smith Family Garden of Eden. So, and then maybe framing it in. But I ran out of rebar, so I'm gonna have to get some more and come back and finish this later. I'll give it some thinking tonight. And then let's pick this up again tomorrow when I've got some more rebar and we can wrap it up. All right. So we're all done. I think it turned out okay. Had a lot of fun putting it together for sure, and it'll be a nice addition to the garden. What the heck, it's just a kind of a fun thing to do for our family garden. If you've got any questions about how I put it together, glad to answer them. Just shoot me a note. Hope to see you next time.